Hello everybody, my name is Sahana Arshin Godi and today I am going to explain a problem on joint distribution. So we have the problem here. The joint distribution of two random variables x and y is given below. So this is the table given below. Now by using this table we are going to compute all these questions. Now the first question is, before solving these questions we have to specify the distribution of x and y. So first we will specify the distribution of x. So these values, the row values are called as f of x of I, and the column values are called as g of y of j. Now let us draw the table. So we'll write x values here and f of x values here. So x values we have 1 and 5. And f of x values is the summation of these two rows. That is, summation of this row is 1 by 2 and summation of this row is also 1 by 2. Now similarly we will do it for y. We will write the y values here, that is -4, 2 and 7, and the summation of all three columns in this box, that is 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 4. Now let us solve the first question, that is e of x. Now we have the formula e of x, that is summation of x of I, f of x of I. Now we will write the x values first and corresponding f of x values and we will add them. So 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will get 6 by 2 and the answer is 3. Now similarly we will do e of y, that is summation of y of j into g of y of j. So we will write the y values, -4 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 7 into 1 by 4, that is -12 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 7 by 4. Now taking the LCM and solving, we will get the answer as 1. The second question is e of x of y. Now we have the formula summation of xi, yj and j of ij. Now we have to multiply all these values correspondingly, that is 1 into -4 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 7 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into -4 into 1 by 4 plus 5 into 2 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into 7 into 1 by 8. So by solving these we will get -1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 8 minus 5 plus 50 by 8 plus 35 by 8. Now taking the LCM and solving these, we will get 7 minus 40 plus 10 plus 35 divided by 8, that is 52 minus 40 by 8. 12 by 8 will get 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 is the answer. Now coming to the third question, that is C, we have to calculate. Question is sigma of x. So we will calculate sigma of x square first. The formula goes e of x square minus whole square of e of x. So first we will calculate e of x square, that is sigma of xi square into f of xi, that is 1 square into 1 by 2 plus 5 square into 1 by 2. We will get 1 by 2 plus, so we will get 26 by 2 and the answer is 13. Now e of x square is 13. Now we know from the previous question that e of x is equal to 3. Now sigma of x square is equal to e of x square is, we got 13, minus e of whole square of e of x means 3 3s are 9. So 13 minus 9 will be 4. Now sigma x square is 4, so sigma x will be 2. Now this is the answer. Now similarly we will solve for sigma y square, that is e of y square minus whole square of e of y. So first we will solve e of y square, that is summation of y of j whole square into g of y of j, that is minus 4 square into 3 by 8 plus 2 square into 3 by 8 plus 7 square into 1 by 4. We will get 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 49 by 4. Now by solving this we will get the answer as 79 by 4. E of y we have from the previous question as 1. Now sigma y square is equal to e of y square minus whole square of e of y. Now e of y square we have 79 by 4 minus this whole square will get 1. Now by solving this we will get 75 by 4. Now this is sigma y square. Now sigma y will be the square root of 75 by 4, that is root of 75 by 2. Now this is the third question answer. Now coming to fourth question, we have covariance of x and y. We have the formula e of xy minus e of x into e of y. Now e of xy we have 3 by 2 minus e of x is 3 into e of y is 1. Now solving this we will get 3 by 2 minus 3, that is 3 minus 6 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Now the fifth question is row of x and y. Now the formula goes like covariance of x and y divided by sigma x and sigma y. So minus 3 by 2 is the covariance divided by sigma x is 2 into sigma y is root of 75 by 2. Now 2 get cancels. So minus 3 by 2 divided by root of 75. So we will get minus 3 by 2 into 1 by root of 75, and the answer will get total is minus 0.1732. So this is the answer for fourth question. Thank you.